it's your girl Amara here. Welcome back to my channel, Love Lloyd. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam, and also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when sis upload new videos. So I decided to do a quick little eyeshadow look because I'm about to run some errands. So if you want to see how I gather the speed, keep on watching. So I already primed my eye with my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone. I'm going to be using my Morphe 35O palette, and it looks like this. First, I'm going to start with this shade right here. Next, I'm taking this shade right here. I'm just building up the color and packing color on top of each other, because that's how you get a really defined halo eye. So I'm just packing the color on, and as you saw, I started off with the lighter shade and now I'm working my way towards the darkest shade. Next, I'm taking my Morphe 35S palette and I'm going to use this black matte shade right here. I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and I'm gonna place that right in the middle of the lid where you see there's no color. I'm going back in my 35O palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Next, I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow pigment. I've had this for quite some time, so I don't remember the name of it, and the name has actually worn off. So yeah, it's pretty gold though. So you can use whatever gold eyeshadow you want to use, but it is a pigment. Next, I'm taking another pigment by the Balm, and it's called No Money, No Honey. Next, I'm moving on to the bottom lash line. I'm going to be taking a pencil from Rimmel London in Scandal Eyes, and the color is called Blamed Blue. I applied my lashes. Now I'm just going to finish up with the eyes. I'm going to finish my brows. I'm taking my Tarte Tartiest Pro Gold palette and I'm gonna use this shade right here, Sculpt. I'm going back in with my same concealer that I used to conceal my brows, and I'm gonna use that for the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna set my highlight with my Sacha Buttercup. Now I'm taking my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish powder in dark tan. Going back into the Pro Glow palette, and I'm taking this shade right here. It's called Fire. Now I'm going back in with the same shade from the Balm, No Money, No Honey, and I'm going to use that as my tear duct shade. Next, I'm going to take my Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Underground. Y'all could clearly tell this is one of my favorite lipsticks. Okay, lovies, and this concludes this look. I hope y'all enjoy it. I really enjoy it myself. It's a very fun look. As you can tell, the top part is very nice and smoky and sultry, and the bottom is like, hey, I'm here. A very, 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 very fun look. So this is all. I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all try it out, and if you do, put some photos down below so I can see it. I love y'all, and as always, remember to live, love you. Bye, guys.